Good day, everybody. This is Kevin again from the LKQ inventory team. I'm here in Portland, Oregon with Shawn. Shawn, what is your last name?
Cunningham, just like Happy Days.
Oh, okay. That's a good remember. That's a good analogy. Shawn Cunningham is rebuilding a front rear differential for a semi truck. And first, I'm going to come back to Mr. Cunningham here. Shawn, how long have you been doing this for LKQ and for your career?
15 years now.
15 years. Gear building, gear rebuilding, gear repairs.
Been in this department for 15 years.
Awesome. Thank you. If you would you walk us through what you're doing here and why you're doing repair to this rear differential, please?
Yeah, no problem. So what we're doing with this differential is it came in and it was, we exchanged it out. The customer had an issue with their unit, and this was the initial issue with their unit, was this pinion gear.
Oh boy.
And that's we call that a shock load. So yeah, somebody popped a clutch with a lot of torque on an engine and it busted the tooth off the pinion gear there.
And you call it again a what?
Pinion gear.
Okay, but what kind of damage is shock?
It's called a shock load.
Okay.
So that's what happens when, you know, like when you have a lot of torque and horsepower and you pop a clutch with a lot of weight, it will break the tooth off pretty easily with this big stuff. It's pretty easy to do.
Okay, so what do you have in front of you here?
So we're actually replacing it with a brand new gear set. So this pinion and this ring gear match set. It's going to be brand new. It's going in this unit. We're also using a brand new bearing kit, all Timken by DT. We're using a brand new power divider. The power divider that was in this unit, it was okay, but we didn't really like the quality of this unit. As you can tell, you can see where it's kind of bedding right there on the edge. So we want to put a brand new unit in it. And we'll have brand new input shaft, side gear, ID nest, side gear, brand new brass, brand new bearings, and the side gears were in pretty decent shape, so we're just going to reuse those. And yeah, and when it's all done, it'll be ready for exchange.
What did you and your team do with the housing to prep it for?
We rip it all apart. Of course, when we get it, it doesn't look very pretty. And we actually have the big washes back there, the green ones back there. They're very handy. They
Special part washers, correct?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Okay. And so we wash them, get them all clean, get all the oil, the dirt, everything out of it. We take the surfaces and we paint everything. So that way, believe it or not, painting on the inside proves that we were there, and it also helps with condensation. With a lot of big units like this, you have a lot of steel, creates condensation in the unit, and it'll actually start rusting the gear sets.
Very good.
Any metals inside.
Well, Shawn Cunningham, thank you very much for your time. That is awesome. Thank you.
No problem.